Welcome back. So today we are working with let's see if this is working or not. First of all, so today we are working with yeah, it's always the same project, which is XMG lost link. But today we should be able to stitch all together, to put all together. And so what I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to put every repo that means something to this project into a new org, so that we can have everything together. And then from there I'm going to create a new branch based on per coin, which is going to go to what's the name? It's going to go to Coin. Okay, so that's what we're going to do, and that's it. And actually we will have to have one more repo, which is the actual Machi repo, although I'm not sure it's worth at all, but we will see how we do it. So this is Machi from RME, which I was taking a look at, taking a look at what other people are doing. So some Docker stuff, also some people are trying to do some Docker stuff and so on. Update readme. Oh, that's Discord. Yeah, I'm not sure if that's I don't know if that's there anymore. In any case, let's focus on what I was saying, which is this thing about having a new organization, and then we will move on from there. So the new the new organization is going to be Machi Retro, which I want a free organization, please. So this is going to be Machi Retro, and same email that I have myself. And we're going to say this is personal account, because otherwise they ask you a lot of stuff and that's not to be used. Copilot, no, I don't want Copilot, and I accept everything, and that's it. So add organization members, so I guess that myself, and that's it. I am myself here. Yes, I am. So that's nice to have here. And wait a moment, I might be able to listen to some music. Yeah, that's it. So that, yeah, perfect. So we have some music here. Let's put this. Okay, so is there anyone Discord? No one on Discord, no one on the chat. Yeah, okay, so the idea here is to move all of the repos that we need to use in order for this to work. So the first repo that we want to add here maybe is the latest one, but so the first one is the 2015 X11 coin, which we have managed to go into Machi coin, and that's it. So this is going to be the first repo to be added here. So This is currently found in my what's the in my own organization, in my own repos. So the first one is this one here. Okay, here you can see how, if you take a look at the branches, we have this v2 thing, which is very interesting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just transfer this into the new repo, because I don't want it into my own repo. That's what I'm going to do right now. Transfer Mati retro, and the same name. Yeah, wait. And I think I'm going to, okay, one thing I'm going to do now that I'm going to change this what's the name, this thing here. So MachiDev has this thing here. Okay, so let's see if we can manage to download this somehow. And yeah, let me see. Man, I'm not going to save this because it's not something, or am I? Maybe am I to, yeah, maybe I'm going to save it somewhere, but you know, it's not something that it's worth. So I'm going to create this like Machi retro stuff. Damn it. Yeah, so Machi retro logo. So give me 1 second so that I can work with this. So now I can say something like please help me edit all of this. Okay, and then we can let's see how the hell do we do this. So one interesting thing is background, it's going to be like this, and then we could say, we could move this to the top, which is quite not good. So if we get this color and now we move this to the top, let me see. Okay, now we can maybe get the black instead of, so the how the hell do you do this? So the black, it's going to be white, so that it's, so that now we can do this the other way around. And what the hell happens if I write down here retro? Look at that. Let's create a cool looking logo or something. Okay, so this is retro. I mean, I would like to have more. I don't know how to do this. Yeah, I mean, okay, never mind. We have tried to do something with more space, with more blue or white on the top. Okay, so we have this stupid logo. Okay, so this is retro. Okay, so we want something like this. let me make a copy just in case we don't like this. So this is version 1, and now I want to apply what's the color, this thing here, and there's this stupid like this old computer or something. Can we use this? Why the hell can't I change this one? Okay, yeah, so like this. Look at that. So now we have, this is retro, okay? The Mati retro. I mean, I don't know if I like this so much. I want this to be more like this, more intense. Let's give it more effect so that it's better, even like this. Why? I mean, why the color is not the same way as it should be? Okay, this is more or less black. Okay, let's, yeah, I mean it seems more gray than anything, but you know, okay, I think we're going to go with this one here. This is going to be version 2, and that's what we're going to do, and that's it. So Mati revived, which is Mati dev, so on, so on. So now we want to go to Mati retro, upload new picture, and this is the one that we're going to be using, like this, and that's it. I mean, now we have very nice picture here. If it wants to apply, of course. Go to your organization profile. Look at that, Mati retro. So it's Mati retro. You get the point. Okay, you get this gray thing, and we already have this 2005 something. So what we're going to do here, so that I don't get any problem, is just change root card into Mati retro, and now we have this repo is here. Okay, and I had somewhere some notes about all of this, but I'm not sure what the hell are these notes, those notes. Yeah, so I have Mati dev thing, so put together. Okay, so Mati put together. So list of repos. So Mati dev Mati is the latest one, and then Mati dev Mati, which will just clone, push, whatever. Okay, and then so we've got this repo here, which is this one here. Look at that. So so we want to go from peercoin to this one here. Okay, so I want to clone whatever we have on Machi Dev, so that we have everything here, so that we don't get confused and everyone can use everything from here. So clone completely Machi Dev Machi. This might be the first thing we want to do. Okay, and then we need some more repos. So there are those recipes on how you can clone complete repos. So git have clone complete repo, which I think you can do it with duplicating installation mirror push. Yeah, so you clone with pair, you push with mirror, and that's it. Okay, that's what we're going to do here. But I mean, so first of all we need to get the repo we want to clone completely, which is this one here. And so what we're going to do here is git have machi repos special clone bear machi dev machi. Okay, that's what we're going to do here. However, what we're going to do is we're going to use the git have naming, so not the HTTP but this one here. So we're going to clone this with the bear stuff so that we know how to do this. Okay, because I don't want to transfer machi to machi old, and I don't want to work with my usual machi repo, which already has all of this. So I should be able to do this. Okay, so let's give me everything that you have of this repo, every branch, everything, because I don't want to lose anything. Okay, look at that, it's fetching all of the data that we have here. In any way, what I want to document is how we stitch all the things together, because once you have repos it's quite easy to do so, but we need all the repos, even the latest one here on this machi repo. So we are supposed to go inside this and say something like push mirror with all of this, and apparently you are supposed to create a new repo. So we're going to do that before doing anything else. So if we go into machi retro, and I guess you can create a new repository which is going to be called machi. Although machi is not a good name, but that's what it is. It's machi. this is going to be public. We don't do anything else, so let's find out what's the name that we have here. So it's Machi also. Okay, license. If we put a license, it's going to add some files into the repo, and that's not what we want to do. We want to push the bare repo here. Okay, that's what this means. However, this is what we're going to use instead. So instead of the HTTPS, we're going to use this, and magically it should do the trick. Okay, okay, look at that. It seems to work. So then we are going to hit clone this and just use it. Look at this. Look how many branches we have here, and we also have the tag for 1472. Okay, so this special clone something, we don't need it anymore, so let's just remove it. And now I'm going to create this thing called Machi retro repos, and I'm going to move everything there so that they have a mapping between what we have online and what we have here offline locally. So there's this 2000. Where the hell is this 2000 stuff? Is it here? Yeah, probably is this one here. Let me just check real quick. Yeah, this is the one that I'm interested on. So after doing all of this work, we're going to move this repo into Machi retro repos, I think. So Machi retro, wait a minute, Machi retro repos. We have this X11 coin, which we have already converted so that it points into Machi retro. Okay, so we don't have to care so much about this. And now that we have pushed the old Machi dev Machi, the current Machi dev Machi repo, we are supposed, so if you go here, you can see how we've got this what the hell is this? 1, 2, 3. Wait a minute. Do we have? We don't have any default branch here or something. That's why we have 1, 2, 3 here. What the hell is this? So the default branch is master in Machi dev. So we're going to do exactly the same thing. So this is going to the default branch. It's going to be master, and that's it. I guess that no, not 1, 2, 3. Switch to another branch, which is going to be master. Yeah. Okay, so now this should be bumped to version 1472. This is what you have for Machi. Okay, so we are fine here. Okay, but this is not the Machi that we want to have. By the way, we could have forked Machi instead of just having this. Now let's think about it, because what the hell have I? We haven't we have lost that this machi came from the other machi. So yeah, I think I'm going to remove it. Yeah, that's true. I'm going to remove it because otherwise we are not going to see where this comes from. Although I am not interested in people coming from Machi Dev Machi to the Machi old to the Machi retro stuff. So I'm not sure what the hell to do here. Yeah, I'm not sure about this, if you ask me. Yeah, I mean, we could. Yeah, I'm going to delete this repo and I'm going to fork the other one. Hopefully it's something that yeah. Sorry, but I'm going to delete this. In any case, was successfully deleted. Maybe we have to wait some time so that we can fork the other one. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to call this Machi Dev Machi repo, so that we have this, and it's just a snapshot instead of anything else, and that's it. So on a snapshot that's like this one here. So let me. So what you should be doing here is a fork of this thing, which is going to be Machi Retro. So Machi Dev Machi, and this is going to be something like, what's the, I mean commits are from before, but you know, and we want to copy everything, and that way we will have like, this is Machi Dev Machi snapshot, and that's it. I mean, we don't want to work. Hopefully it doesn't clash with the old Machi repo that we have deleted, and apparently there is no problem. I mean, it's not the same name, so it helps also. So that's what we are having here. Look at that. Now if you go here, you can see how if you go into the sites, network, you should see the other forks and so on. You know what I mean? Look at that. So what the hell? I mean, maybe this is not the best place for checking this. So if you go into Machi Dev Machi and ask for insights, maybe not right now, but maybe in you know, in some days. So here we should find Machi. I mean, let's see. Maybe not right now, but we should see this Machi retro thing, or maybe in forks. Maybe we don't have. Yeah, I mean, this does not update instantly, but it should happen that it's instantly. So when you go here, it should say that this is forked more from Machi Def Machi. But maybe if you change the name, then it's not considered as a fork. But I think you know, there's some cache thing going on here, and that's why we're not getting the fork from Machi Retro. In any case, now we have managed to put this here, so maybe we should write it down as the one we want to use, which is this one here, Machi Retro. So this is the Machi one, okay, and we are very happy. So before stitching all the things together, we need to find out I mean, we also need the Machi Retro repo to explain what all of this is about, but this can be done later on. So I had somewhere an explanation of an explanation of what was the order that we were doing with all of this stuff. So probably I should get that and try to work with all of this. Yeah, this one does not exist because we have managed to close a lot of this stuff. Okay, so let's find out which is let's find out which is the latest, you know. Where the hell do I have this? Machi to Machi. Tested devices. Machi personal roadmap. No. Maybe this is not the right place to take a look at this. I should have another. Let me check on my second screen to see what the hell it's going on. Machi. Archive. I mean, I don't know. Lost link. Okay, yeah. Folk history. This is not it. Commit constant copies. Okay, here you are. Finally, I have found this. So this is the block of what I was doing and so on. And yeah, I mean, there are also commits that could be squashed in the future, but I don't think I'm going to do that. And so somewhere around here we should find the latest one according to here. Nova coin, PP coin. I mean, is this thing here what we want to do to use? Let me check the chat. I had on the I had written down what was the current status of all of this in the development chat. Okay. Let me see. So we're going to write down which is the exact order that we want to use. Okay, so we have something from November whatever, and that's what we're going to use here. So yeah, I don't care. This is like this. Okay, so we've got the magic coin, which is this one here. Okay, we've got the ATC secure. Wait a minute. Yeah, so we have the ATC secure X11 coin. Now I'm confused. So the latest one that we have working on is this one from X11 coin. However, if we go here, we can see how we are working on X11 coin to Magi. X11 coin to Magi. X11 coin to Magi. So my question is, are we missing the 2000 stuff? So ATC secure X11 coin. Wait a moment. Okay, let's take a look at Batty Retro repositories. Look at that. So this repo is actually a snapshot of ATC secure X11 coin, which it's something we should maybe snapshot of. Where the hell is this? Okay, so this X11 coin is a snapshot of ATC secure X11 coin, and now down here it matches. Okay, so match coin, we've got the ATC X11 coin, and now we're going to search the CA Brains X11 coin, and we're going to put it here. Okay, so this is also in my usual repos for Magi, so we should be finding an Zebra something here. So this is where we worked on this, and somewhere we should find the actual repo, which Magi coin archive. Why the hell do I have this Magi coin archive? I'm going to find everything that I have to push onto Magi Retro here. Is that what it is? In any case, here you have the original one, the first commit, and probably this is the one that we are looking for. So here we are on the manual fork from cbrains X11 to ATC secure X11. So I'm pretty sure this is what we're looking for. So if we go into my repositories and we look for cbrains. Wait, cbrains? Yeah, I guess so. Look at that. We should be finding here that we have two branches, and one of them is this manual fork, which should match the commits that we have here, should match what I have locally, and that's right. Latest commit that I have is update seats 3. So this is the one that I want to move onto Mati Retro. So basically what I do is the cbrains X11 coin, it's going to be moved onto Mati Retro repos. Okay, and that way Mati Retro repos cbrains, so say I have update seats 3 here, I can change its hit config so that it no longer works with Rucar organization but with Mati Retro organization. Okay, so we save everything, and now I should be able to transfer this nice repo onto the Mati Retro organization. Okay, and yeah, just let's keep the same name, because I mean Mati, I don't care if other repos get confused, but the Mati I had to rename so that we understood what happened here. Okay, so now we have Mati Retro there, and so in theory we should have this thing here. Look at that. Let's copy link, and now let's write down here that we've got Mati Retro cbrains. Okay, so right now everything seems to match. Okay, now we're going to search for Badger coin. Okay, so once again Badger coin, it's going to be found on my look at that, this is the true first X11 coin. So Badger coin, post coin, not X11 post, proof of work, and the other one is proof of what the hell, proof, now I don't remember, but it's what you are used to. Ethereum and so on now has this proof of okay, in any way, now we should also have this thing, which is Badger coin forks into Zebra and cbrain or Zebras or whatever, and you can see that the latest commit is this one here. And now we're going to search for this, so we go into the Mati repos, and we can find Badger coin or something. So we have work, and then there's Badger coin. Hopefully it is this one here, first commit. What the hell? Badger coin cbrains work. We don't have anything here. Okay, what about taking a look at another branch? Yeah, that, look at that, manual fork. So maybe this has been changed into another commit so that it's easier later on, okay, to use. So a specific staking settings change. So it's exactly the same thing that we have here. So I did this like 2 years ago or 1.5 years ago. Now it's April 2024, so you do the math. I don't want to do the math for this. So it's quite old, but we can see that it matches the commits. So this is the one that I want to be moving onto the right place. So this Matter coin, it's going to be put into the Machi retro repos. Okay, and now we can Machi retro repos Matter coin git config. We're going to edit this so that this is Machi retro instead of whatever. So in order for this to be into the Machi retro repo, organization, the Machi retro organization, we are going to transfer this here, and we're going to transfer everything. This is not a fork. Wait a minute. Let's do it. Machi retro. So once again, if we take a look at here, now we have the Matter coin thing, which we are going to write down here, because we are going to use all of this somehow in order to know what to do, in order to put all together, because we have all of the branches, but we need to do this properly, you know what I mean? And probably what we want to do in all of these repos is to define as the default branch whatever branch needs to be using in order to, so the repo branches, you know what I mean? That's what I think we need to be using as the full branches. So define the full branches. All of these auxiliary repos need to be using all of these auxiliary repos need to be using their fork branches as the default branches of the repo. That's the purpose of this Machi retro organization. Okay, that's it. Okay, so the next one is white coin. So white coin, once again, we should have one of these here, white coin, and alongside the branches we should have not this discarded one, but the manual fork here, which is also from 2 years ago, and so on. Latest commit is this thing here. So let's take a look and let's see what we can do with all of this. So Machi repo. So let's find white coin. Okay, look at that. Here we have these discarded stuff, and commit candidate 1. What the hell? Mint coin. Okay. Let's see if we have any comments, but I don't think so. No, we don't have any comments. Okay, no problem. We don't need comments in order to work with this. Okay, so the problem here is where the hell is the one I want to use? Because this work directory should not be okay. White coin with capital letters, that makes sense. I haven't thought about this. Yeah, white coin with what capital letters. So once again, look at that tattoo coin. So this, wait, tattoo coin. So this probably comes from somewhere else, but I don't know if I want to go into this rabbit hole. Tattoo coin. Oh my god. I mean, actually, these commits, I don't know. Fake Maichi old. I mean, useful initial commit branch. Tattoo coin. Damn it. I mean, now I want to change to find this. Do we have fake old? Yeah, because we needed to do all of these branches or whatever in order to find whatever made sense. And manual fork, so it would be this one here. So let's check out this one here. Let's see. Replace from white coin to badger coin. Yeah, readme was updated, so this is the one that we want to have here. So let's do it. So Machi retro repos. Okay, and now we want to edit this so that this white coin repo hit config uses the Machi retro organization. So once we have find out that this is the thing that we want to use, we are going to what's the name? We're going to find this white coin repo from here, and I mean, we could put this into non-capital letters, but I prefer to use whatever. So this goes into Machi retro. Okay, I couldn't move everything into Machi retro the first time I was playing with all of this because I didn't know what was going to be the final data, the final repos that we were going to use here, because you know we might need to discard some of them. So now we have the white coin, and so ghost coin goes into white coin. So ghost coin, look at that. Ghost coin, which is from ghost. Okay, so this ghost coin, let's open here, should have another branch, which is this one here, from ghost coin to white coin. Look at that. These are 26 commits. So there are a lot of changes from ghost coin to white coin. So the question is, as we have seen, the guy that pushes white coin commits, his name is Tattoo Coin. Okay, so let's digress. And let's see what we find out here. What the hell is this? Tattoo coin 2017. That's boss base cryptocurrency, but why are there commits from 2017? Okay, so we are looking for ghost coin master. Okay. So this is our fork, this is the master. Okay, so this master latest commits are from 2014. Okay, so if we want to find something between the look at that. So if we want to find something between ghost coin and white coin, which is probably the two coin. So look at this. So this is 2014, and the white coin, which now should be here, the white coin master branch is from 2014. Okay, so April 2014 and May 2014. So white coin is in the future. Yes, that makes sense. And this one is in the past, and there are not many commits. Let's take a look at this thing, which is the tattoo coin, which seemed to be from 2017. And okay, so first push added. So this is from 2017. So this tattoo coin stuff, it's not useful for us because it doesn't have what we need to have here. So let's give it latest, so the first commits are from white coin, and so if you take a look at this as a patch, we should be looking for this thing, and let's search for this email here, and then we will use my friend Google to see what the hell. No, I didn't want to find this. Developer tattoo coin. Find the current Bitcoin rate. What the hell is this? Dogecoin. I mean, we should probably be searching in Bitcoin talk stuff, but I don't know if this is worth it. I mean, I should be logging in. I don't want to reset my password right now, but I think yeah, I think that this tattoo coin thing could be something, but let's just ignore this path. I don't think it's worth taking a look at it. So ghost coin, have I moved ghost coin into the right place? No, I have not, but we are going to do it right now. So first of all, okay, so white coin, have we moved white coin? Yes, we have. So now let's focus on ghost coin. Let's do it. So find ghost coin. So ghost coin should be here. Okay, once again we are here. So non-useful change, replace name. This is exactly the same commits, so this is the one that we want to use. So let's do it. Give retro repos. Yeah. Now we can edit this so that ghost coin, hit config. I mean, you can probably change this thanks to some Git comments, but I prefer to just edit this hit config file .hit /config file, and that's it. Okay, so now we should transfer this from here, which is what all of this is about. Transfer to Machi Retro. Look at that. Ruka Ghost Coin. So we might do this. We might do this in 2 videos, one for putting all together, and then one that we try to put everything in the peer coin repo, if you wish. So Ghost Coin is the next one, isn't it? White coin, Ghost Coin. So look at that. Next one is mint coin. Okay, so it's a proof of stake. Now POS means proof of stake. Mint coin is one of the first ones that I think had this proof of stake thing. So you mint coins, you don't proof of work them, you don't mine them, but you mint, which is different, but I don't know. Okay, so now which is the one mint coin. So once again, here we should have mint coin something. Okay, here we have 2 different ones, the mint coin and the mint coin desktop wallet, which are different projects. I'm not sure which is the one that we were using in the end. Probably the wallet one. So here there is 2 branches, mint coin, ghost coin, and here all branches. Okay, so there's a mint coin desktop wallet. We don't have anything related to Fox, but the mint coin without anything, this one is something that made sense, but it's not the one that we want to use. So probably this one here with these commits that we're going to take a look at them. So is this mint coin? Let's do it. So mint coin, look at that, Machi coin discarded. Here we have the mint coin desktop wallet and mint coin archive with all of this mint coin. So it's probably this one here. Okay, which I'm going to check. Okay, so as other times we can see how we are on this initial commit branch, and now we're going to take a look, replace name something. Yeah, so it's exactly the same commits. This is the one that we want to move onto the Machi retro repos, and so we want to edit this so that this is Machi Retro. Oh my god, look at this. So now we can once again go into the settings. Okay, so give me 2 minutes, 3 minutes please. Okay, we are back. So now we're going to transfer this mint coin onto Machi Retro. Yeah, which is the same, exactly the same name. I understand. Transfer everything. So now we should have 7 repositories. One of them is the mint coin, which we are going to write down here. Look at this. Okay, so grain coin. Okay, so next one is the grain coin. So once again, so no comments here, no comments here. Wait a moment, let me put this onto like this. Okay, wait a minute. Are we going to? Okay, perfect. So, mint coin. Yeah, what's the? Yeah, so the next one is grain coin. So we should find grain coin here. So it's probably grain coin here. So if we take a look here, we should find this one here with these commits here, and now let's find grain coin here. We should have a specific branch, which is this one here, with some commit. And let me just real quick check. Line was removed, rename. Yeah, so exactly this one here. So basically, once again, grain coin, we're going to move it into Machi retro repos, and we can do something like this and say that this should be fetching Machi Raptor. I mean, I'm not sure I'm going to use this anymore, but let's use this properly. So now that I see that everything matches, I should be able to transfer this into Machi Retro so that everything is on the same place. That's it. And here, if we upgrade, we should find, is it grain coin? Yeah, we should find grain coin. So perfect. Grain coin. Nice. We still have 3 or 4 more repos to put here. So the next one is bottle caps coin, which was interesting, not the least. So bottle caps, bottle, maybe with bottle. Okay, so bottle caps. So here we have this specific branch with some commits. So let's search for bottle caps here. Bottle caps. So probably the one we want to use is this one here. And something, we use this branch. We take a look and we compare if these are the same ones. Yes, they are the same ones. So as a consequence, we can move this into Machi retros, and this is like this. Dot hit config. So we'll call Machi retro. So now that we know that everything matches, we can move this into the Machi retro organization. Okay. Perfect. And so let's go on. So we go here, we look for bottle caps, and we can copy them here. Nice. The next one is bit hems. I mean, everything is something similar to money, which is not money, like gems. Okay, so here we should have, oh, why? Okay, so take a look at this. We don't have bit gems. Why don't we have bit gems? That's a good question. In any case, maybe bit gem is something that bit gem bottle caps, peer coin, bitgem. Okay, yeah. Look at that, peer coin, bitgem. So here we can maybe find what's going on here, which is peer coin, nova coin, and bitgems are from so everything's come from peer coins. So actually it's only a ripple, but we should have the bitgems somewhere. I think so. Let me see. This is something that I'm not sure how. Nova coin, bitgem, peer coin, bitgem. Okay, so peer coin, bitgem discarded. We will clone it again. How the hell do we do this? So peer coin, bitgem, micron archive, peer coin, bitgem. Well, this is going to be a bit confusing. How to do this in a proper way? I mean, because I want to have everything in the right place, but at the same time, we don't want to I don't know. So Nova coin has something, isn't it? Huh. Nova coin, bitgems. How the hell are we going to manage all of this? So Nova coin, it's not here, but we should have peer coin, which is what it's confusing me. So peer coin has a lot of branches. Hopefully we can take a look at all of this. Look at that. So we've got this thing, which is peer coin, Nova coin. Then we've got Nova coin, bitgem, and then bitgem bottle cap, which should be, yeah, look at that, bottle cap. So now we have everything here. So I should be looking for a REPL that has these branches, and so the one from bottle cap should have the old ones too. So if you take a look at here, you should look at that full bottle, and then we've got the bitgem commits, bitgem, some stuff bitgem, and look at that, Nova coin changed. So you can see how Nova coin change are here, you know what I mean? And we could see the different tags or branches if we paid enough attention to it. So these are probably Nova coin. Look at that, Nova coin, and then somehow we go into bitgem. I think it's the name. This is probably bitgem, I'm not sure. And then once we've got this bitgem, we go into bottle caps. Okay, but now everything is on the peer coin branch, which is what we are looking for. So we want peer coin, so let's search it, and it's in this peer coin which we are going to need to do to put everything is going to be here in this peer coin stuff, and we will have the Machi branch, big branch with everything. Hopefully we don't explode everything when we do this. Okay, so look at that. Here we have peer coin. We've got peer coin, Nova coin, peer coin, bitgem, We don't have peer coin bottle caps. I mean, peer coin bottle caps. Yes, so we want BGem, which is the one. So if I'm not mistaken, I think we want this. So if you hit branch, you can see how we've got a BGem bottle cap. What the hell? Don't we have this in a single repo then? Oh, look at that. So we also have peer coin of a coin, which has what the hell is this? So the Nova coin, we have somehow pushed everything here, which is what makes sense. So here we have the bottle cap one, I guess, which is folk bottle. Remove this. This is the one that we want because we have all of the branches here. However, I'm not going to call it peer coin of a coin. We're going to call it peer coin, which is what all of this is about. So Mati retro repos. Okay, wait, not like this. So this is peer coin Nova coin, and this is going to be peer coin, and damn it, wait a second. Okay, so now peer coin, hit config. Now this should go into Mati retro, and this one is very important that goes there because I mean that's the one that we're going to be working on. So now what the hell is this? Now we have this peer coin stuff that we know is the one when do we want to move, which with some branches, and we should be transferring everything to Mati repo. Okay, and that's it. Transfer this repository. So once again, if we update this, we have an additional repo here, which I'm going to copy here. So now we've got this thing, which is going to be branch probably master, but I'm not sure about this. So here we have branch master and the Nova coin, bit gems, and bottle caps. Nova coin, bit gems, and bottle caps. So let's find out which is the right name for all of this. Please wait a moment. Okay, so let's find out the right name for these branches. Going to do this, you know, in another screen so that it's easier to work with. So peer coin branches. So the first one, it's the bottle cap one. So let's do it like this. So this is the bottle cap. So this is bottle cap branch, or bottle caps, or whatever, bottle caps branch. Okay, then we need to have the bit gems one. So bit gem branch. Let me copy this and just remove everything that it's not needed. Then we have the Nova coin branch, and then we're going to have all of this here from all of the other ones, which is going to be quite a lot of them, but that's what it is. So Nova coin branch, Nova coin branch, so it's this one here. Nova coin branch. So the master branch or something. I mean, there was this thing about, they did 10 minutes ago. What the hell? Hi, I'm Ghost. I take the place of user accounts that has been deleted. Ghost. Nothing to see here. Move along. What the hell? Default master. Why the comment is from 11 minutes ago? That doesn't make sense. Oh my god, they're going to mess around. Look at this. So we've got a comment from 11 minutes ago from master branch from someone that has been deleted. Which why? No. Okay, I don't know. In any case, oh, maybe because it was, I was checking all the stuff. I don't know. The thing is, should I highlight any branch from Peercoin or not? I mean, what the hell have we managed? So the oldest one, which is the Nova coin, where the hell does this comes from actually? Does this come from master, or does it come from somewhere else? Because this is from version 0.222, you know what I mean. I don't know if this commit is from any specific branch or something. I mean, yes, there's this so this is probably from 0.11.8 ppc, isn't it? I mean, but why? No, wait, yeah, this one here, 0.2 ppc, yeah, it's this one here, isn't it? This should be matching what I have seen here. So update version to 0.222, and now if we go here, this is the commit that we're looking for, which is where we start to do our stuff. So this is a tag which yeah, so this is a tag, peer coin split. Let's tag this thing here. We don't have a branch, but it's a tag, and we can peer coin split peer coin. I mean, we don't actually need this because we have the Nova coin VTM and so on. So so bottle comes screen coin, min coin, ghost coin, blind coin, bunch of coins, something. So now we have everything here. Okay, so maybe I can end stream today thanks to defining the full branches for everything here, so that then it's easier to work with them. But you know, I don't know. Then we will have to write down which are the different branches so that we can script maybe all of this and apply everything onto the bottle caps branch, you know. So this is annex Machi fork history. Okay. So yeah. Let's define, now that we have all of this, let's define the default branches. Okay, and that will be it. So Machi retro and so on, so maybe we can move this down. I mean, I could even put a number onto the repos so that we 0, 1, 0, 2 and so on, but this is not what how this works, so we're not going to do it like that. In any case, yeah, let's do it in order or something like that. Where the hell is this? Okay, so the first one is the peer coin, which we're not going to modify it because we don't know which is going to be the latest branch. Then we've got bottle caps, we've got grain coin, mint coin. Oh, look at that, it's sort of in order. Ghost coin, white coin, butcher coin, sea brains, and X11 coin. Okay, X11 coin is here, and then finally the Machi Def one. So the Machi Def one does not have any special branch, so we are not going to modify. this one here should have a special branch, and that's what we're going to do. So the B2 one, it's the special branch. So let's set this as the default branch. What the hell is this? Branches. Okay, so maybe here. So is there a option to set this as default? Okay, here it is. Switch to another branch, which is the B2. Okay, hopefully I have done this properly. Okay, so B2. Next one. So this one will need anything. Next one is going to be the manual fork, because we don't have anything else. So switch to manual fork, update. Nice, perfect. Badger coin also only has one branch, so this is going to be quite easy to do. So we switch to manual fork, update, which is nice. White coin, switch to another branch, discard the fixed buffs, something. So it's this one here. There's no doubt about it. So we have changed this, and the full branch is only 2 branches, so it's going to be exactly the same thing. Manual fork, update, and manual fork, update, mint coin. Grain coin, let's take a look. There are 4 branches. Okay, so the manual one, they didn't use so many branches back in the day, apparently. Manual fork, something. And then bottle caps. So bottle caps, we have 3 branches. Okay, so the manual one, update. Yes, I understand. So now if we update all of this, we should be so one repo that we need to pin is per coin, and then the other one. So let's take a look at all of this and see if we have managed to change the default branches properly. And that's it. So manual fork B2, is it like that? Yeah, this is B2. This is the one that we want to use. Peer coin, okay, which we don't have any default branch right now, so it's just master. Bottle caps, grain coin. So you can see that all of them have manual fork. So that's what we have right now, and this one, this one is master, because it's 1472 is the one that we want to use here. Maybe we should use some other branch for attack. I don't know. Yeah, you're in YouTube chat. I'm going to end the stream. Yeah, okay. So Bastel Peachy asks in the YouTube chat, which I wasn't able to check. Okay, so okay, going to reply. So yeah, so first of all, I'm going to end the video soon because what we have done today is push everything into the Machi Retro organization so that everything is in the same place, and then we can work on the Peercoin repo so that we have some special branches to mimic all of these repos, and then we will have a branch which is the Machi one, which is nice. So let's read Bastel Peachy text. Okay, Bastel Peachy says, I think one of the issues here is that there's been so much code that I'm going to use to put this here. I don't think he minds. I think one of the issues here is that there's been so much code that's been replaced entirely by example new libraries and generally moved to new files, so that it's hard to track changes without a full understanding when comparing Peercoin then to Peercoin now. Okay, so this is something that you should be this is something that you should care about if you want to update Magicoin to a new code base. It makes sense what you say. Now, what all of this is going to help you to do is to understand what happened when in 2014 or whatever this was forked. Okay, from all of this project, which is Peercoin, NovaCoin, BitChain, Bottlecaps, which were forks in the Git term, these were forks of Peercoin, and then all of these forks which were lacking commits in order to be proper hit forks, but actually there were software forks of all of this. So what you are interested on is checking this repo here. Okay, this repo here has the changes from X11 coin to Machi. Okay, and this is I want to document this when we do the Machi Retro repo. Okay, I want to document this. This is the one that should have the most useful comments. So let's take a quick look here so that you can see this. So if you go into Machi Retro, look at this logo, which is nice, and you take a look at the 2015 one thing here. So this is a snapshot that was taken on 2018. However, this so the latest commit was 2015, and I guess this was before we had anything from Machi, but let me double check, because I'm always having trouble to. So if we have this thing here, yeah, I have put another name here. Why haven't you updated this? So if we go here and we search this Machi snapshot. Okay. If we take a look at the first commit, okay, so this is 304. Initial commit is from 2014. Sorry, initial commit is from 2014. However, the latest commit here is from 2015. But somehow we can okay, you see 2015, but we can find in the history documented changes. Yeah, documented changes. So here you can find the changes that are interesting. So on the default branch that I have set right now, you can find this manual fork B2. Is it like this? Yeah, manual B2. You can see it down here, manual fork, and here you can see all of the changes that make sense in order to create Machi from X11 coin. And I think I have done a pretty good job of doing that, so that you can read the labels. So adapt means something that you have to take a look at. Then these spaces are removed. You don't have to take a look at because it's not something useful. This was something that I have forgotten. And example, a very good example is this thing about the hash libraries. So you can maybe take a look at libraries, okay, and then you can see how in Machi-Qt Pro you use the new libraries, then you can use them in makefile.unix. You use them on this same file, okay. You can see OS X, the same thing, then the Windows stuff, and I'm not sure, yeah, like this is the same one. I'm not sure if it's the same commit. So this is something that you can start to be working on. So BSD, I'm not sure if I have already opened this commit. And then here you can see how, you know, you remove a lot of stuff that it's either it's no longer being used or it has been moved onto the src hash directory. You can see how kcak it's been moved onto the hash directory because this is some tidiness that Lao did, which moved a lot of stuff was moved into the hash directory. And here you can see nice commit related to Machi-Qt Pro, okay, and you're going to see everything. You're going to see the same thing here. So here you can see how everything depends on hash, and here you can see how we are not using all of the old hashes but new ones only, and the same thing happens here, and so on. So this is something that you can use in order to understand a bit more what the hell happened in order to give birth to Machi, because that's not something that it's explained anywhere, okay, you know what I mean. And yeah, so this is what the project is about, and you already know it. Okay, let me see. This is one of the user kits being tried for time. I might try to do a version where I just try to gradually change stuff, update to the latest OpenSSL and boost library versions. Yeah, I mean, I guess that's a good approach. Yeah, I mean, you could use Peercoin and then try to apply everything else but it's not going to work. The idea would be to just I mean, you can do what you are explaining here, update OpenSSL and Boost Libraries version. But another thing that you can do, which is more difficult, because you should be able to test all of this, is use the peer conversions. So if you are here, you could, if you want to lose your mind, okay, you could say, okay, this is per coin to PPC, okay. Does this work like this? No, it does not. Okay, so here you are on this version, which is whatever, 11. Okay, so you could say, okay, this is 0222, which has this branch, this big branch that Rukar has made, okay, and let's try to apply this big branch into 0.3, damn it, into, don't we have any more? Let's try to apply this into 0.3, into 0.30, and let's see what happens. Does it explode? Does not explode? And then you go up. Then even if you don't build it, you can find which changes are happening step by step in the per coin code paste, and then you can update everything else, and it can give you you can learn from there what the hell actually needs to be updated. But in order to do so, I need to make this big branch, which is going to be in the next video. All of this, it's going to be in a branch, which is going to be done from this bottle cap leaf. Okay, so we could maybe try to work from there, from the peer coin side, and then try to push everything here. I don't know if I would that like that if I had to rewrite Magic from scratch. I'm not sure. I mean, you could also take a look at all of these projects and see if there's something, I don't know, mint coin is still present in 2024 or not. I don't know. It's another way of doing this. I mean, mint coin has been updated. Let's use mint coin code base. But I think we thought that this was peer coin was the best one to be using, not Bitcoin, but peer coin. And then you do all of this. So yes, I think I'm going to end the stream here. So thank you very much for watching. Bye. I will try to work on this soon, but I don't know when. Bye.